Hi guys, this is Raymond from EVOffer. Today we'll talk about our performance seat again. One very common concern for our customers is if this is safe. So today we'll try to do airbag deployment test for you guys. So we'll do the airbag deployment for all this seat and show you that the airbag can be deployed successfully. So we'll check the video. We'll check the video later. You can also see we have different styles, and we'll talk through each one individually and show you how you can customize your seat. So this is one of the styles that we are developing. So you can see you can choose different color and different material. But for all our sport seat, you can choose the color and material. Or this pipeline, this material, the color, you can change it, but you just need to ask us beforehand because the price will be different. So you can see from this one, you can have this kind of style. This is one of the style we are developing. You can choose different color here. This is one of it, and then we will show you the next one. So next we'll take a look at this seat. This seat, you can see there is a two-tone setting. You can customize this as well. This gives you a different stitching style. This is one of the things we are also developing. So you can check it out here. You can see we use a black and white two-tone color. This is also a very common setting. Even to our existing style, a lot of people is asking about this kind of two-tone setting. So now we'll deploy the airbag of this seat. So this airbag will be deployed. There's two airbag on this side. So we'll try to demonstrate how it is to deploy this. Okay, so you can see the airbag just deployed it. It's deployed in the right direction. The reason for that is we have the guidance back that's actually the same as the OEM one. So you can see the safety is not a concern.